Okay, so the Philippine news coming from Indonesia, where a Boeing 737-500 plane crashed. This plane operated for Sriwijaya Air. The flight number was 182. It crashed into I believe, the Java Sea after it took off from Jakarta Airport in Indonesia. The plane is a 26.7-year-old 737-500. The aircraft started out as for Continental Airlines as N27610. That aircraft was delivered for Continental Airlines on May 31st, 1994, until it was then given to United Airlines after the United Airlines and Continental Airlines merged on October 1st of 2010. And it was then delivered to Sriwijaya Air on May 15th of 2012, registered as PK-CLC. You can see here from flight radar that the plane, oops, not that. You can see here it took off from Jakarta Airport. I don't know what time there for in Indonesia. Probably Adam should know that. Anywho, you can see it taxiing to the runway and then taking off, and then shortly later, after taking off, it later crashed into the waters in Indonesia. Everyone on board are confirmed dead, and debris has been located after the crash. So basically, this crash happened around 2 in the morning for me. Well, I'm not sure what time for them in Indonesia. But this is the first crash of 2021, after a year after the shutdown of Hurricane Airline, of the downing of Hurricane International Airlines flight in Iran.